Hello! Today we will start with a series of tips and tricks about Tourne. We will start with preparation for the winter, how to use the car in winter, especially about the water, and also how to empty everything, so all the water we have to empty if we don't use the car, so no damage can occur. Preparation of Tourne water system for storage in low temperatures. The following procedure must be followed to prevent damage to the water system due to frost on the vehicle. It is recommended that the procedure is performed whenever the vehicle is not being used, but it is essential when the temperatures can drop to 3 degrees Celsius or below. Park Tourne on flat surface. Rotate yellow knob on whale water heater clockwise, 2-direction kitchen. Water will start to flow out of the water heater. Leave the yellow lever in the open position during the entire storage of the vehicle. Remove wooden cover over freshwater tank on the rear right side. Unscrew the blue plug at the top of the freshwater tank and remove the internal plug for emptying the water tank. In case that your Tourne have outside draining valve, you must open that one too. Leave both valves open during all time when the vehicle is not in use. Outside draining valve can be used only when temperatures are above 3 degrees Celsius. When temperatures drop under 3 degrees Celsius, it must be always in open position, then use the plug inside water tank. When the water stops flowing out of the freshwater tank and water heater, start water pump and let both cranes open in the middle position for 15 to 20 seconds, so you can be sure that there is no water left in tubes. Turn off water pump button on control panel and additionally ventilate the system. When the vehicle is parked during cold temperatures, leave both cranes open in middle position. Again, turn on water pump button on control panel and press the toilet blue button to flush toilet for 10 seconds, that the water can drain from the toilet. Be sure to empty the toilet cassette as well. Open the valve of wastewater tank with dedicated rotary lever. On vehicles with an electric draining valve, move the knob to the discharge position. The valve can also be opened manually in the event of failure. The blue rotary button must be pulled out and rotate in the desired direction. If there is an external shower option on the vehicle, then this system must be drained too. Turn the shower hot water adjustment lever to the middle position. Connect the shower hose to the quick coupler and unscrew the shower handle. Again, you can do this using a pump or by blowing through the shower yourself for a few seconds to fill the empty pipes and the free flow of air. At the end, check that all valves and cranes are in open position and park the vehicle. Using the vehicle in low temperatures. Move slider for the hot air inlet into the wastewater tank to the red open position. With slider in red position and running heating, warm air will also hit the wastewater tank. It is essential that the vehicle is heated all the time. Both heating and water heater needs to be turned on to prevent frost damage. It is essential that the car has enough power in batteries or is plugged into 220 volts, so heater and water heater can operate. In extremely low temperatures, we recommend that the wastewater valve is opened and extra container is placed under the car. At temperatures below -5 degrees Celsius, the heater needs to operate at temperature around 20 degrees Celsius to prevent frost. In extreme low temperatures, so under -15 degrees Celsius, we recommend that there is no water in the system. So this was for today, hope it helped. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that are coming in the next episodes.